how's it going guys? My name is Ray, and as you may already know, we're still doing an Indonesian recipe series, and I've actually gotten a request for prawn fritter from an account named Shallots, and so that's what we're gonna be doing today. Let's cook!
So here are all the ingredients that you will need for the prawn fritters. Of course, you'll need some peeled prawns. I left some of the prawns with the tails on here just for presentation purposes later. And then you'll also need some shallots, probably about 3 big shallots or 10 small ones like this, 2 cloves of garlic, some Kaffir Lime leaves, 2 sticks of spring onion, you can put more if you want, and last but not least, some Beansprouts. So you can start by slicing all the ingredients such as the spring onion, shallots, garlic, and Kaffir Lime leaves. For the Kaffir Lime leaves, all you have to do is just to fold it in half first, then slice it as thin as possible. Then I'd like to chop the shallots, garlic, and Kaffir Lime leaves even finer, but it's totally up to personal preference. Then in a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, a few shakes of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and finally mix them all together with 1 cup of water, preferably cold water. And when you're done mixing, the mixture should look like a pancake batter, something like this. Then to that, we're just gonna add all the ingredients that we just prepared. And don't forget to set aside the prawns with the tail on, so you don't mix it together with the batter, but we're just gonna add it on top later. And once everything is thoroughly mixed, prepare a pan over medium heat with some oil. You'll probably need about 1 liter of oil depending on the size of your pan. And you know the oil is up to temperature when you drop a few drops of batter and it bubbles up straight away like that. Then just scoop the fritter mixture into a ladle like this and put the prawn with the tails right on top in the middle. Then gently lay it down into the oil. Then just let them fry for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, flipping every 2 minutes. Bottom line, you should do the first flip after you're sure that the bottom is already set. After that, it's pretty much up to you when to flip them. I usually just go by the color. When you're happy with the crispiness of the fritters, just take them out of the oil and onto a cooling rack to get rid of excess oil. Then just let them chill for about 5 to 10 minutes and they're pretty much done and ready to serve. And there you have it guys, my take on the traditional Indonesian prawn fritters.
I hope you like that simple recipe, and especially Shallots who requested this recipe. Hope you like it, and thanks for requesting. And as usual, you can find the full recipe in the description box down below. And if you guys did like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter to get the latest update on my videos. And here are the links to my previous videos, so don't forget to check that out as well. And if you have any requests, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and I'll get right to it. And yeah, that'll be all for today. See you next week guys. Bye!